Hello friends, Mandar here. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to talk about June 2021 visa bulletin that was just published few hours ago. And thanks for somebody on my channel who reminded me of that to make a video. So let's look at it. It's interesting that the EB category prediction that I made in my previous video is exactly what is in the visa bulletin for June 2021. So let's look at it. If you are here for the first time, welcome. My name is Mandar and I make immigration related videos for US and Canada. I'm not an immigration lawyer, so anything that I say on this video or on my channel is for information purpose only. And for your specific immigration needs, you should hire a competent immigration lawyer. Now the visa bulletin for June 2021 was published just today. It has come in a little bit late because we have seen the visa bulletin come on 8th or 10th day of the month in the past. But now it has fallen back again to its regular time in the 20s or third week of the month, which we are seeing this month. So finally we have it here, and there is some good news as we predicted in my last video as well. So let's look at the side-by-side comparison of June visa bulletin against the May visa bulletin. I would just like to remind that for the month of May until 31st of May, still the May visa bulletin applies. So you should be looking at the dates from May visa bulletin. But starting June 1st, the June visa bulletin will be applicable. So just to keep in mind. Okay, so here is the travel.state.gov website, and on my left hand side as usual it's the current visa bulletin, which is May 2021, and on the right hand side we have June 2021 visa bulletin. We'll do a side-by-side comparison. We'll quickly look through the family-based immigration first and then look in detail at the employment-based category. So for final action date chart for family-sponsored preference cases, this means these are the dates where the visa officer is actually processing your application. For family category for this month, they're still using the filing date chart for allowing people to apply for 485, just to make it clear. Now as you can see, F1 category, there is some movement we can see by a month. Say for instance, for all chargeability, it has moved from 22nd October 2014 to 1st of November 2014, which is just about a week. And we can see the same across the board. For China, India, it has moved slightly by about a week. For Mexico, it has actually advanced by one full month from April to May. And for Philippines, it has advanced by about 3 weeks. So it's advanced but not a lot. F2A category remains current. F2B category has advanced by about a week, again across the board. F3 category has also advanced about a week across the board. So there is not much of a difference. If you see F1, F2B, F3 and F4, all of them have slightly progressed but not by much, which is not surprising, as Charlie has mentioned in his previous video that there is not enough demand for these dates to move forward. So that's what we can expect to see for the rest of the year. Now let's look at this filing dates chart for family based category. For filing date chart for family based category, the dates for F1 have actually moved. For all chargeability, it had moved from October of 2015 to March 2016. Same for China, India, it has moved by about few months. So for China from October 2015 to March, and also for India from October 2015 to March. So it has consistently moved for all chargeability, China and India. For Mexico, it has moved by about 2 months from March 2000 to May 2000. And for Philippines, it has moved by about 6 months from November 2013 to May of 2014. F2A category has also moved by similar amounts. Now F2B category has a little bit more of a progression. So as you can see, all chargeability has moved from June 2016 to August 2016 for all three, India, China and all chargeability. For Mexico, it hasn't changed, and for Philippines, it has changed by about 6 months from January to August of 2013. For F3 category, the dates have moved from across the board except for Mexico. For F4 category, the dates haven't moved from all chargeability or China or India, and it has moved only for Philippines from 1st of July 2003 to August 8th of 2003. That's by just 2 months or just 1 month. So that's for family based category, and we can expect to see this slow progression for all categories in family based category for the next few months. Now let's look at the employment based category, and here's a big difference. And if you see for EB1 category, everything remains current for all countries. The final action dates are current. What that means is anybody filing in EB1 category can immediately file for I-485, which means 140, 485 and EAD can be concurrently applied to get a green card. For EB2 category, all chargeability still remains current. China, it moved from December 2016 to May of 2017. That is a significant progression. But here's the interesting fact. For India, it has moved from August to December, which is exactly what I predicted in my previous video. It moved by 3 months. It moved by 4 months. So here's what you can see for EB2 category that we predicted in the last video. What I would say is the date for EB2 India will progress to December of 2010 by in the visa bulletin for June 2021. For EB3 category, everything remains current for all chargeability. For China, it has moved from May 15th, 2018 to September 1st of 2018. For India, it has moved from February 1st, 2011 to November 1st, 2011, and this is exactly what I said in my previous video, that it will move to November or December, I said. So it has moved as per the prediction. You can see it here. And when you do a simple math, I think these dates are going to progress by up to 9 to 10 months in the next month, in the month of June 2021 visa bulletin. So the date can go up to November or December of 2011 for EB3 India. So good news for India, EB2 and EB3. We are seeing that the dates are being progressed by Charlie to catch up with the filing dates chart at the end of the year. So as per the prediction we made in the last video, it's exactly the EB2 category for India moved by 4 months and EB3 category for India moved by about 9 months, which is incredible, and we'll continue to see this trend for the next couple of months. Now fourth preference category has also moved for El Salvador, although it's current for all chargeability, China and India. For El Salvador, it has moved from September 2018 to November 2018, and for Mexico, it has moved from March 2019 to November 2019. For EB5, the dates are current for most of the countries except China and Vietnam. For China, the dates have moved from August to September by about a month of 2015, and for Vietnam, they have moved from February of 2018 to April of 2018, so by about 2 months. So there is incredible movement in EB category of visa. This is a very good news for China and India, especially India, because they have been backlogged for a long time, and this has been a leaps and bound moment in the final action dates chart for EB2 and EB3 category. I expect to continue to see this progression for EB2 by a couple of months, say 3 to 4 months every month until September, and for EB3 by about 8 to 9 months every month until those dates catch up with the filing date chart date. We'll wait for Charlie's video to come back. This time the interview with Charlie is on 24th, so I'll be sure to watch that and make an analysis video to shorten and summarize it for you. So stay tuned to my channel to watch that video. Now if you look at what is the chart that they are going to use, this is the website that they go to, adjustment of status filing charts from visa bulletin. Now for current month, as you can see, for family based categories they are using filing date chart, and for employment based category they are using final action date chart, which the trend will continue in the next month, which is for June 2021 visa bulletin. Family sponsored application will continue to use dates for filing chart, and employment based preference category will continue to use final action date chart. This trend will continue until September of 2021. In the new year, they will switch for EB category, they will switch to filing dates chart for the remainder of the year. So that's all I wanted to say in this video. I think there is some good news in this visa bulletin. There's going to be a lot of progression. People are going to start applying for their 485, which is adjustment of status, which is final stage in the green card process. Now I know there have been 262,000 visas to be processed, and Charlie thinks that USCIS is doing a great job of assessing those applications and adjudicating them in time before September. Now Charlie is allowing these dates to progress and allowing these applications to come in. Now it's to be seen if USCIS can keep up with that pace to allocate the visa numbers and give out green cards in time before the end of the year. So we'll continue to watch this space. So if you got value out of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.